One of the coolest features of the Sora 70, and that is the surface parking feature. This is really, really awesome. When it's done cleaning, whatever cleaning mode you've put it in, when it's done, it raises itself to the surface of the pool, just like a submarine rising from the depths, rises itself to the surface, and then parks itself along the edge of your pool. It empties out some of the water from the robot so that it's right there and easy for you to grab. Now, obviously it can't empty all the water out because it's still in the pool, but it empties a lot of it out. So instead of having to get a pole and fish it out of the bottom and it'd be full of water, especially because it has such a huge capacity, it's right there at the edge of your pool. You just walk over, just grab the handle and pull it out. Yes, it does still have water in it. It's not like this makes it featherweight, but it just makes it a lot easier and simpler because it's taking care of half of it for you. It's positioning itself for easy grab and emptying out a lot of the water before you even pull it out of the pool. So it makes it getting it out of the pool and cleaning it a breeze.